Hi there, Teacher Carol is back, and join me as we continue our lesson using the book Essential Grammar in Use, 3rd edition, written by Raymond Murphy. In today's video, we will continue to talk about our lesson using the word go on. So, are you ready? Very good. But before I start, let me just remind you that you should have your pen and paper with you so that you can take note of those important information that we will discuss today. Okay? Very good. Now, since you're ready, then let's begin. The word go on can be used in a sentence depending on the following cases. First is on a holiday. Go on holiday. Sample sentence: we're going on holiday next week. You can also use the word go on when you're talking about a trip, like children often go on school trips. You can also use the word go on in a sentence when you're trying to talk about a tour, an excursion, or a cruise. For example, when we were in Scotland, we went on a lot of excursions to different places. Now, let's try to use the word go on a tour and go on a cruise in a sentence. You can say, the overall sea-going experience is a reason enough to go on a cruise. Go on a tour. I want to go on a tour to the island of Hawaii and experience its beauty. Next is go on strike. Example, workers at the airport have gone on strike. Gone on strike means they are refusing to work, meaning workers at the airport don't like to work because they want to voice out something to the airport management. Maybe something bad happens to them. So again, the next time that you will use the word go on using the following words, make sure that you will use the rule. Okay? Great. Now, after we've talked about the word go on, let's move on to go for. Go for is used using the following words here that answers the question going somewhere. For example, go for a walk. Where's Emma? She's gone for a walk. Next, go for a run. Do you go for a run every morning? Go for a swim. The water looks nice. I'm going for a swim. Go for a drink. I met Chris in town, so we went for a coffee. Go for a meal. Shall we go out for a meal? I know a good restaurant. Since the word go for is an intransitive verb, you can use this separately or not, like go for a walk or go out for a meal, go for a run, go for a nice swim, go for a cold drink, and others. So again, go for can be used as transitive and intransitive. When we say transitive, words that cannot be separate, just simply go for a walk. Intransitive can be separate, like go out for a meal or go out for a drink. Go out for a nice swim. Okay? Well done. Now, our last topic for today is about the word go plus those words that ends with ing. Take note of this. The word go, or we use go plus words that ends with ing for many sports like swimming, skiing, and etc. And we also use the word go using the word shopping. For example, I go shopping, I go swimming, I go fishing, I go sailing, I go skiing, I go jogging. He is going shopping, swimming, fishing, sailing, skiing, jogging. We went shopping, swimming, fishing, sailing, skiing, and jogging. And you can also use the word they have gone or she wants to go using the following words here that ends with ing. Now, let's try to check our example sentences here. Are you going shopping this afternoon? It's a nice day. Let's go swimming. Or, let's go for a swim. Richard has a small boat and he often goes sailing. I went jogging before breakfast this morning. So again, remember that we often use the word go plus those words that ends with ing for many sports, and also using the word shopping. So guys, that will be all for today. Don't forget to review all of those topics that we've talked about, including the word go to, go on, go for, and go plus those words that ends with the ing. Because in the next video, we will try to answer some exercises regarding this topic. Okay? Very good. So this is Teacher Carol once again, and feel free to access this video to review the following topic. And if you have questions about us, just log on to www.camblish.com. See you next time. Goodbye for now.